playing with clay, stone, marble, plaster. It's not science, it's more about art. I studied in art in '86. I'm not young, I'm old. When we restore like these cracks, we put the same material it's been there, and the crack it will never show up again, and it stayed for over 100 years. It's a long process, but it does the things in the right way. Being in this old historical building and seeing all this historical architecture, it's just part of the fun, you know? I come every day to my job like I'm the happiest person. This is my world.